Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to a Rollerfit Friday. Woo! I'm so excited to start adding these to the channel more. We are going to go ahead and do a quick 10-minute Rollerfit hit workout, focusing all on that roller booty. Please God no. Why am I so extra? Today I have something really exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and do different moves. Instead of just like workouts, we're gonna do some skating instead. I hope you guys are excited. Let's go ahead and get right to it.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
All right, all you're gonna need for this workout is a booty band. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. This is just to give you a little bit more resistance in the workout, okay? You drink some water, bring some water with you, okay? Drink all the water, okay? So this workout is going to be all done with the sweatband on, okay? Your booty is gonna be on fire, but you'll thank me later, okay? We're gonna start out doing bubbles. Actually, I'm gonna put music and sounds all over this because again, I don't want to torture you with all of my moans and groans and whines, okay? So we're starting in 3 seconds. 2, 1. Bubbles. You got this, you got it, you got it, oh, you got it, you got it, oh. Breathe. "15 seconds to rest, drink some water.
Live original rap. I stay away from fake rap. You be acting like you all that, you get smacked if you talk back. Spiritual but real when it comes to common sense rap slang. This is real sweet style.
And that is it. Wait. Oh, I need more workouts. Okay. Shit. Alright, what the heck? I just realized that was only 5 minutes after looking back at the video. Awkward. So we're gonna add another 5 minutes. We're gonna do a different one. We're gonna add some more freestyling, okay? Let's see, what can we do? Crab walk. Okay. Whew, that one was a burner. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, 30 seconds. Good job. Keep it going. Drink some water. We have 2 more workouts. That's it. My butt is on fire. Good work. One more workout. One more. Just one more. Give me one more. One more 30 seconds. Woo! This isn't it, by the way. I'm just resting. Sexy walk. Controlled. Tight. Get it right, get it tight. Feel that booty getting right. Nice, slow, and controlled. Squeeze your inner thighs. Squeeze them for dear life. Keep your chest up. Keep your head straight. And squeeze. If you go backwards, that's okay. I'm going backwards, that's fine. And we're done. We're done and done. Done and done. You got this. Keep practicing, okay? Keep giving it your all. We can all do this. If I can do this, you for sure got it, okay? I burned 100 calories in 10 minutes of just grooving, okay? I really hope this helps you guys. If you don't want to use the band and it feels weird to you, don't stress it. No stress. All 2022, okay? Zero stress. All the groove. That's it, guys. If you didn't really feel it, go ahead and do this another time. Give it another try, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. As always, stay groovy. Peace. Ooh, glazed donut shining.
I love you, 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 I love you.